Okay, a very nice day at BMW xDrive Winter Experience at Coupe, fjället. Car with M xDrive. And this M5 is with the exhaust valve open, as you can hear. With M ceramic brakes. Yellow ceramic brakes. And just a lot of power for the winter. And even though this is not the M version of the 8 series, it looks very sleek. And this doesn't have like the goldish package that the 8 M850 had. This has a more grey kidneys, but I would say, I mean, the kidneys on this 8 series looks good. They do look good. And I mean, hopefully the M8 will look really nice. I think it will. Just see how sleek this oh, hello, wrong button. How sleek the rear light looks. Anyway, lot of snow. I'm gonna take a coffee and warm myself. Oh, that's a Cullinan playing. Did you see that?